This video wouldn't be possible without the support of these amazing brands. Huge thanks to them. These compressors have been part of my hobby journey for years. But today, let's see if there's a better way. Let's go! This is the brand new Gaahleri Turbo X, the successor to the popular Serenair compressor. It's small, portable, packed with features and promises more power than you would expect from something this size. But as someone who's not a professional painter, the real question is, can this actually help average builders like us paint better? Let's start with what's inside the box. The Turbo X comes with the compressor itself, charging accessories, hose, and everything you need to get started. Right away, the first thing you'll notice is how compact it is. Compared to traditional compressors, this thing barely takes up any space on your workbench. Despite its size, the Turbo X comes packed with features. One of my favorite additions is the digital display. Instead of guessing your pressure settings, you can see everything in real time. Adjusting pressure is also very simple. Just turn the rotary dial and instantly fine-tune your airflow depending on what you're painting. For beginners, that's actually a huge advantage because you spend less time guessing and more time painting. Before I got into model painting, I started with one of these generic compressors. And honestly, they work. But the moment you start doing larger parts, primers, or thicker paints, you quickly notice their limitations. The Turbo X feels much more powerful. Air delivery feels more consistent, and it doesn't struggle when you need a bit more pressure. And if you're using the Gaahleri Serenair, you might be wondering whether this is worth upgrading to. The Turbo X feels like an evolution rather than a replacement. You still get the portability people love from the Serenair, but now with a digital display, easier controls, and better monitoring of your pressure settings. It's basically a smarter and more user-friendly experience. Want to level up your paint game? Check out Gaahleri.com. From airbrushes to compressors and parts, they've got everything you need. Plus their Kaleidocolor Works paints, smooth, lacquer-like finish, but eco-friendly and safe. The good news is, Gaahleri is now available here in the Philippines. Just hit them up on their Facebook and start upgrading your builds. And if you're outside the Philippines, you can order directly from their website and get 10% off using my code. Link and code are in the description box below. See ya! And of course, features don't matter if the compressor can't perform when it matters. So let's put it to the test. In this demo, I'll be applying a gloss black primer to my GWCC entry kit as the base coat for the paint process. What I immediately notice is how stable the airflow feels. The pressure stays consistent, which makes it easier to control your paint application. Even for someone like me, who isn't a professional painter, that consistency gives you more confidence while spraying. Another thing worth mentioning is the noise level. Gaahleri designed the Turbo X with anti-resonance construction, which helps reduce vibration and unwanted noise. It's definitely something your family or roommates will appreciate during long painting sessions. After using the Gaahleri Turbo X, I think its biggest strength is balance. It's compact, powerful, and easy to use. Most importantly, it doesn't feel intimidating for beginners. The digital display removes a lot of the guesswork. The pressure adjustment is simple, and the performance is more than enough for most model kit builders. If you are coming from a generic compressor, this is a very noticeable upgrade. And if you're already using a Serenair, the Turbo X gives you a more refined and modern experience. So would I recommend it? For beginner to intermediate builders looking for a portable compressor that offers convenience, consistent performance, and user-friendly controls? Absolutely. This is one of those hobby tools that simply makes painting more enjoyable. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what compressor you're currently using. And once again, my name is GUNDAMDEK, and thank you for watching.